Bro, this is the craziest Rolls Royce I've ever seen. Oh my god, look at those wheels, bro. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ahmiire, and today we are going to another supercar event. I'm pretty excited about this one because the specific people that's having this event today, 80K, I've only been to one other event from them, and it was crazy. It was pretty cool. About to head out with the fam now. We about to go to the event. First, we're going to make a stop by Dunkin', get some iced coffee, and my daughter wants a donut. Guys, look at me showing out. I don't ever wear short sleeves, bro. Yeah, it's a nice day. It's like 80 degrees here in Jersey, so yeah, I wasn't gonna wear no hoodie and sweat my behind off today. I ain't gonna lie. That's actually kind of cool. Bro, this is the craziest Rolls Royce I've ever seen. Oh my god, look at those wheels, bro. This is crazy. This is definitely my favorite Rolls Royce of all time. I want to color this so bad. Insane. We got an RS6 right next to it. 720S. AMG.
Well, not like the top part.
Lotus.
I can fit one of these. I'm gonna go sit right there in the middle.
Interior is beautiful.
That's a Ferrari. Oh,
Jeez. 911 right next to it. I'm pretty sure this was the last year already made too. Skyline. Got a Z06. Or is it a Z06? Yeah. Gallardo. I've seen a couple of them this year. Last year I didn't see none of them. This was the same STO that was at the meet last Sunday.
Same thing.
It's gonna be beautiful.
I love that.
That is a 06.
I would.
Got a Technica, I think. Look at the interior. That is beautiful. That green.
What they say about the other shop that like they had it there 100 miles ago?
Oh yeah, well they just serviced it.
Yeah.
Drive from the other side too.
Welcome. Nice. Crazy. Oh man, look at that white and blue. Bro, that is beautiful. Oh my god.
I couldn't even imagine how we could have
Oh, a Viper. This might have been the one that I seen at the last supercar cruise they had. Second gen. Nice. Got another 911 here with the top down. This generation 911 interior is amazing. I don't know, something about it looking like very simple, but a lot at the same time. I love it.
See the blood in my veins, put me here bleeding the same. Take this cup, to the greatest exchange. And it's on to there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Take your cup for the rain, and pour it in a weapon.
Purple Monte. These things are quick too. It's a pretty nice Mustang. And it's gutted on the inside too. Yeah, you already know this thing putting in some work. You already know this thing putting in some work. That's crazy. Yo, what's good, bro? Ellie? Chopping hard. I like this color on the back.
Never gonna get it.
This is nice. And then we got I think this is a first gen S1000. Yo, Chris, you trying to get a Harley?
I would drive one of them.
Yeah. H2. It's the
makes sense, I
it's
thought.
the like the touring one though. Still fast. That's what's up. It's R33. Oh, is it? It's in freaking Japanese, of course. Guys, can y'all tell like what engines come in the R33 GT ST? Is it the RB20 or the RB25? So the event was a great turnout. It definitely was worth going to this meet. The next time we should be back at this specific spot should be when they have the next time that we should be at this spot is when they have the rally in the beginning of I think June. So I'm definitely gonna go to that, and I hope that y'all stay tuned for that video too. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.